Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the name of your team on the ESPN Fantasy Sports game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. Now from the homepage, if you are not already logged into your account, just click on your account icon at the top right corner and proceed forward with signing in using your email address and your password. Now from the homepage, you can either choose the create or join league option, which will now show you the my teams option at the top right. Just go ahead and hover over to it and then choose your team that you wish to rename. After clicking on this team name, just click on team settings and now this will show you the settings that you can change for your team. Go ahead and type in your name that you wish to change into, and you may also set your abbreviation. After choosing your desired name, click on the save changes option and now your team name will be changed on ESPN Fantasy Sports right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your team name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.